ESD is the abbreviation for electrical static discharge. This phenomenon causes electrification, either by friction or by contact, which damages most electronic components. To be able to pack these components, we offer specially developed ESD machines. These models are built with adapted parts and materials. Not only for ESD machines, but also for the use of thick or retort pouches, we advise a biactive configuration, which is applicable on various models. A biactive machine is equipped with an upper and lower seal bar that will ensure a perfect seal at all times.